And we're live. So we are live for live stream 241. And this is interesting. I actually missed a trade here on gold. Goodness me. 46. Essentially, it's this one here. There's a short just there. There was a short on the ES 44. 44. Where is that? Somewhere around there. Goodness me. Is it really that far away? 94.75. 94.75. Yeah, it would be all the way up there. I would have hit target already. Okay. There wouldn't have been a trade on NQ because it sold off too quickly. Well, looks like I won't get a trade, which is fine. Which is fine. Hmm. 407.50. 407.50. Was that 62.75? It would be 62.75, wouldn't it? Two points. Are we really going to do that? Huh? Why hasn't it got there? What's the low? 63.25. 2 ticks. Let's not do that nonsense we did yesterday. $91.75. 91. 75. You know what? Yeah, I'll take it off. I'm not interested in that. Take the loss. See if we can get that 62.75. You know what, that's just going to mess up my average, isn't it? Certainly is. You see the levels at 50 is at 62.75. And now, see it's gone through it. Now I'm going for a bigger target because of the loss I took. That's the problem. I'm looking for 59.75. Got down to 61.50. Back down to that 61.50 again. Oh goodness me. Getting at a worse price. Hold on. Didn't I say 59.75? What am I doing? No, let's take it. That was 62.75. No, that's going to mess up the average. What's the problem? The average. There we go. Come on, how close was that? 60.25. Come on. 2 ticks away. No, I'm going to do 1-to-1. If it comes back and gets me, then so be it. Taking it off. Okay, that got all the way to 70. So NQ 285.50, ES 55.75, these are the ranges, and gold 34.2. Let's try and take the short here. Seem to have come up and rejected. Not sure how true that is, but let's target at 59.75. Oh, goodness me, look at the gold. Look at the gold. What are we doing here? Come on. See, that's actually a long. It's telling me to go long. Why would you be... 78.50. This is a flipping... $51.25. 51.25. It's highly speculative long. There it goes. Why can't I hold a trade? Come on now. These silly pullbacks get me out. What am I doing? Silly pullbacks. This looks like he wants to go down to that 36. So looking at the daily chart, it looks like the 36 is where it wants to go. Let's target 4 points. 51.75. $75.75. I'm just going short here in solidarity with the ES. Flipping horrible risk reward, man. Flipping horrible. Oh my word. What in the world? So target got filled there on NQ. Not quite filled on ES. You can see there on ES. Come on, there we go. Come on. Target filled there. Hold on. Oh, I got a short on gold. Ah. Oh, nope, can't take it. Goodness me. Where did I get that? Ugh, horrible place as well. Looking for the move down to, was it 27.3, 28.2. If I move down to 28.2, down to 28.2, 43.7. Oh, risk reward's horrible. Goodness me, look at all the selling there. Definitely looks like he wants to get down to that 38. Hmm. Let's see. Let's see if we can get down to 40.25. $64.25. Target filled there. Ah, come on. Taking that off over there. Taking that off there. So the original target is down at 28.2. Oh my gosh. If I'd have left it alone, it'd have got the target at 28.2. Got to cancel this order. So I got in. I got out there at 31.8. Oh my word, I left a ton on the table. I thought I could get it and get it on a pullback. What am I doing with these trades? 3.5 on the table. Goodness me. Leaving 3.5 on the table. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. That is a lot as well. That's nearly 10. Oh my word, what am I doing? Second guessing. Ah, Tolga. It's nice to see you again. I've been having issues with my YouTube chat, so if you haven't heard me respond in a couple of, may have been over a week, it's because I've been having difficulties getting the chat up on the streaming software OBS. RIP, I got a notification just as I was about to close it. It disappeared right underneath the notification and cancelled all the button. I got a notification just as I was about to close it. It disappeared. Were you short as well, Tolga? Thing is, we're in a bit of. I'll have to look at this from a. I'll have to look at this from a daily chart because I can't see any level. Let's see. So we've got the 20,950s. 20,950s. It's 20,000. Goodness me. Wow. What's going on here? Oh my word. Seems I might get a setup on gold as well. Another setup. I was about to end the stream. Let's see. Let's be careful here. Maybe I need to have a look at the gold chart actually. Rest in peace. I got a notification just as I was about to close it. It disappeared. Right underneath the notification. The notification was the cancel all order button. Cancel all orders. Oh, battery's low. This may be a costly trade because the amount of retracement we saw in that wick, we had a large candle. Oh, hold on. Give me a second here. We've got this large candle with this wick, but I'm going to target, let's see, 55, 56, 56.9. I'm going to target 50. Is that 56.9? That's not right. 917, 917.9, 917.9, 36.1. Let's see if I get filled here at 17.9. And we were saying, I need to add a gold chart here. Let's see. I'm going to add a gold chart to the bottom right. Where is it? Bottom right. There we are. Targeting at 17.9. And on this NQ, we said 20,950. You were short. It's good to know you were short as well. So there's at 950. I need to. You know what? Let's decide on a color for daily levels. Let's see. Let's use black. Let's turn it to click apply. Luckily, hold on. Luckily, I sold at the bottom before the rebound. My exit was 21,006. 21,000. Oh, 21,106. Yeah, that's a nice exit. Oh, looks like I'm going to have some difficulties here. On the bottom right hand side of the screen, the gold position. We'll see. Yeah, that's a. Luckily, I sold at the bottom before the bounce of my exit. Yeah, that's a nice trade there. Luckily, I sold at the bottom before the rebound. My exit was 21,006. Let's put this as a template. Template. Save. What could I call this now? Oh, so matter of fact, right now, ES is coming to that 37 level. So these lows from the 3rd of February, price is coming to those levels. So wouldn't be too surprised if we do see some buyers come in. And over on NQ, the level's all the way down at 950. So let's see, down at 36, around about 36 to 38, somewhere around here. Got this daily level. Let's keep an eye on our gold, of course, because we are short gold. Let's see, what's my gold chart? Gold. Oh, wow. Come on. 18.3, 4 ticks away. Oh, 23 contracts left. There we go. Way, we've got the gold. So we've got the gold off the table. All the way down to that 17.9. Nice. I guess someone's hit the sell button today on these markets. See, the mistakes I made through here chasing the market. Very costly. Could have had a much better day than I currently have. Seeing that selling there on gold. Let's go have a look at the gold chart on the daily. Wow. Bit of an engulfing candle there. You can see we're trading at all-time highs. It's a pretty large candle. It's a pretty large candle. It seems that way in terms of the range, the high to low range. It's a pretty solid candle in terms of not much move to the upside. Currently trading at the lows. It's interesting. So let's see if we can hold these 36s. Let's go find out what the exact level is. Let's see. I'm going to have a look what the exact level is. So it's on 2nd of February. Lows were 35.50. So I'm going to take, let's take this here. 35.50. And it is daily DS. So it's a DSR. DSR, daily support resistance, possibly. So we've come down to into this level on the daily chart. That's some buying, not a lot. Hard testing it, so we may just break it. Over on NQ, let's go see where that is. It's down at 43, 943. 943. DSR, daily support resistance. Let's put that there. Let's look at ES. Let's look at gold. Oh, that's interesting. So this hash line would have been a weekly high. Interesting that we have come into it and we've seen buying here. I'm not sure when this was from though. Let's go have a look. Research chart. I'll tell you when that might have been from. Where is that? 10:06. So that would have been the week that ended on the 7th of February. So that would have been the weekly high from the 7th of February. Right there. Seeing buyers step in. Markets are pretty volatile at the moment. Nice 99 tick or $10 bounce there. Top right hand side of the screen, we can see our ES position. Does seem like that 35.50 is holding. 35.50 represented on this daily chart. These lows just over here. Seeing a bit of buying come into the market. Just right there off that daily support resistance. I think I'm going to have to. Let's see. We're looking at gold, and over on gold. Let's just see. The range today, 59.7. See, we had a larger range on the 14th of Feb. That was a down day as well. But the high to low range on the 14th of Feb, 14th, and also the 18th. So that would have been around the market holiday, I believe, President's Day in the United States. So we did have greater volatility on the 14th and the 18th. So this would have been a market shortened day. So the price action through these two would be 1. And this would have been the day where we had, I think, 74. And over here across the two would be 68. But we are seeing those buyers come in around at 35.50 here. We are seeing them come in, taking us up to 47. You can see in the top and right hand side of the screen. Could imagine it's going to be the same for NQ, which it is. Came down into that support on ES. And over on NQ, we are seeing the buyers step in here from the low of 21,028. We've almost up 100 points here. Not that far. We're trading at the 110s. So we're not that far from 100 points from the lows here. Off that daily support on the ES chart. Well, looks like support. It's like a swing. So you'd expect it to possibly see buyers. So 28. I'm going to put an alert up there at put an alert over there at 28.75. Let's see if we can get the 100 points from the lows here. Won't be taking anything. Matter of fact, I've actually got a long on I've actually got a long set up on gold. It is actually telling me to go long on gold. Telling me to go long, targeting the 27.1. So I'm not going to take it. Maybe I should. That's worse prices. So 27.1, 27.1. So the target would be there at 27.1, but not going to take it. Up pretty close to the 100 points here. Trading into the 120s. Once we get to 128, it'll be 100 points from the lows of the daily SDSR. 35.50 on ES. Let's see. Seems somewhat inevitable. We're about 10 points away. What was that alert? Let's go figure out what that is. Oh, this is a high volume alert. So, let's see. Can we get to 28? Again, both ES and Q are in a bit of a no person zone for me, because there isn't really any levels I can base the trades off. I guess we're not going to get to the 128. We've come pretty close. We got to, wow. We got to 125.50 and the lows were down at 128.25. That's really interesting. So what's that, less than 3 points? Less than 3 points from 100 points from the lows. Very interesting. Very interesting. Over on ES. Let's see here. So the gold trade I didn't take has come back. Oh, matter of fact, it just set up for a short. Huh. Is that right? Yeah. On the close of this candle, it would be a short. The target. So this one wouldn't have worked. So we're going to put an X through it. Let's put an X through it. That wouldn't have worked. The short over here. I'm not sure if there's enough sellers in the market to get us down to the level we'll be looking at. Let's measure this out. Let's see what we're looking at. So we're looking for a move down to 2,889. That's far too. No, that's just too far. That's just not possible. I suppose you shouldn't say anything's impossible, but would it be? Is there like a clone button? Copy. Control V. Let's see. 89. Goodness me. So that's where the target would be on the short. Be a huge target. So we literally need to sell. Let's have a look at this on the daily chart. On the daily chart, we would need to sell all the way down to these daily lows down here, where we found support before the move up. Making all-time highs, but not closing at all-time highs. So we can see all-time high, but we weren't able to close above these all-time highs here. So that would require a pretty large amount of volatility to get all the way down to that 89 from where we are currently, considering the volatility we've seen. It's not going to say it's impossible, but it'll be a little bit difficult. Let's see. Current time 10:45. Market closed around 4 Eastern Standard Time. We've already seen $50. Let's see, $50 within an hour. We've had this market move essentially $50 within 56 minutes. Okay, so buyers have stepped back in here. Maybe they were trying to get out the weak hands. Had the selling there. Get some interested in taking out the lows. Then turn around and take out the 128. Then would be 100 points from the lows. Let's see here. Need to see a clear of these highs up at the 117s. And then a quick move towards the 120s. See what this market wants to do here. Interesting. Over on the gold, that trade idea would have failed to the short side. Now I'd be looking for long. So this is the kind of thing I'm cautious of. Getting into these areas and then the market starts chopping and I'm getting a series of signals both long and short and whittling away my equity. So I'm not going to push my luck here. Okay, sellers have come back in on NQ. See, we couldn't clear the 117s. I think this is considered is it gravestone doji? No, it's a hanging man. Whatever that means. Oh, gravestone's a doji, isn't it? This isn't a doji. This is... What's that? A dragonfly? No. It's not at the top of the range. I'm not sure if you could consider it a hanging man. Anyway, let's see. So we're having some difficulties here. Let's put a cross through this one because it would not have worked. Let's put a cross through that. As the market chops around. Can we get the 117s here? We can see the 117s without much of a pullback and a quick move up to the 120s then. I think that 128 is inevitable. Can't say there's any guarantees, but it would feel like that would be the very next level for the market to target. From the daily support resistance, well, daily support on ES, 100-point rally from the lows on NQ. Wouldn't be too much, but like I said, we need to clear the 17s and not have a lot of sellers come in. There we go, we just cleared 18. Want to see us just follow through here. Let's see, are we going to get below the 100? Let's see. Want to see that move up to the 120s. It's a little bit too much sellers, but there we go. 120s, 121. I would think now that we'll see the 128s. Essentially, the 128. What would that be? 128.25 to be 100 points from the lows. So let's see. There we go. 27, 25, 29, 31, 32. There we are. There we are. So we've got the 100 plus points from the lows off ES testing that daily support level. So we're looking at 35.50. We've gone 20 points to the upside on ES. I think with that, maybe, let's not go speculating now. Let's see. Let us see. So the very next level, 64.75. 64.75. Let's see if we get up to that 64.75 here. Not sure if we will. Yeah, aligns with that level there. 64.75. Let's see. Let's see if we can get that 64.75. Is that correct? Yeah, it is correct. Let's the irony is the level on NQ would be 174.50. So 174.50. Essentially 175. Let's see if we can get the 64.75 here. Let's see if we can get up to that. Let's see if we can get that 64.75. Zero guarantees. This isn't a part of my strategy. Just seeing, just testing something here. Hence the reason why I'm not in a trade. Back down to 61. Well, it looks like that trade idea is not going to work. Interesting. We got as high as 63 and now we're coming back. Very interesting. Well, it doesn't look like this trade idea is going to work, and I don't plan on taking any more trades today. So I'm going to call it a day here. Thanks for watching. Good luck trading. Have a great day. Oh, finally, before I do wrap up, let's see. Trade performance. Here is the trade performance. Yeah, that's not working. So here is the trade performance. First we drew down 14, series of bad trades. After that had a series of winners that are going off favor to take us positive on the day. On the summary page, total gains, total losses, commissions fairly low, profit factor 3.2. I like to see that sort of thing. I like to see a profit factor greater than 2. Accuracy, not sure why the accuracy, I suppose the accuracy would be high. Yeah, it's unusually high though. And I suppose this is where it's reflected. Average win to average loss. Average loss is greater than the average win, 0.94. So that is where the accuracy somewhat undermined the average win. Largest win bigger than largest loss. Average time in the market 3 minutes. That's not good. That is not good. Considering the fact that I'm looking at a time frame pretty close to it, that's it's tantamount to scalping. Ideally, I'd like this to be greater than 15 minutes. So that's something I've got to be aware of. Because if I am, it could be a case of the speed of the market. It has been quite volatile today, but 3 minutes certainly isn't, I would say, normal for this strategy. So what I'll do is I'll definitely have to be aware, especially of the trades like these through here, where it's going short, taking it off for a loss, short again, took it off for a loss, and so on. So I've just got to be aware. I really just got to be aware, so I don't put myself under unnecessary risk and strain. See, the NQ is definitely not working. Let's have a look. Yep, so I'll wrap it up there for now. Thanks for watching. Good luck trading.